Good morning. Today's challenge is to make and try a liver pate. Liver pate is actually very simple. It's simply liver, about that much butter, and the spices that you want. I have a liver here that I've poached, I've cut and crushed with a fork, and then I'm going to add about its weight in butter, as well as spices. Onion is really helpful to cut the liver taste, salt is vital, and then you can go savory like basil and rosemary, or you can go on the sweeter end and do ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, things like that. Enjoy your pate. And that was today's challenge. Now it's your turn. Show us how you did by tagging a picture with the hashtag #OneForTheBody. What do you think of this challenge? Do you like it? Let us know in the comments below and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe. And to learn more about how you can listen to and work with your body for better health, check out our website at bewellclinic.net.